Hi everyone, we're Room 10 and we're going to be talking about Internet Safety Day 2022. What kind of things do you share online? Videos, pictures, celebrations, relationships, birthdays, holidays, feelings, opinions and sometimes even your location. But why do we share these things online? Maybe to make a joke, to be funny, to show off, to make friends, to keep in touch with those friends, to make connections, to have an education and further a career, or maybe even to warn people of potential dangers. But is sharing everything online always a positive thing? And what happens to all of the information you do share online? Some may get shared by someone else. It might stay with the person you intended to see it and them alone. Someone else could take a screenshot, and some of it is stored and analysed by certain apps and websites which can then be used to form something called big data. Did you know that Facebook holds data on every video you've ever watched, every page you've liked, every message you've exchanged and the groups you belong to? So that's messages in groups that you've made, advertisers you've interacted with and sometimes even your location history. If you have Google services on your phone and your location enabled on it, then it will be storing your location. Have a look at the link to see your own data. If you have Snapchat, it holds data about every snap you've received and sent between you and your friends. It holds what you search for, who you interact with, your history, your friends list, friend requests, and lots of other things as well, including your location. Instagram collects lots of information like how many times you've been on the app, the time of day you went on and how long you were on there for. After seeing all that information about the apps, here's a few things that could help control the information that you share.